Hey everyone, it's me again, Erin. Welcome to Module 4. Can you believe that after this week we'll be halfway through the class? I can never believe how fast these classes go. So we're almost to our halfway point. So as usual, let's take a look at our overview, which you can see here, and our agenda, which contains the tasks that we'll need to complete this week. Here in Module 4, we'll be continuing to address Learning Objective 3 from the syllabus, which is to learn the biological foundations of human thought, emotion, and behavior. A little more specifically, we're going to be learning about states of consciousness and motivation and emotion, which are chapters 5 and 8 in your textbook. So here in the agenda, you can see all the required tasks for this week. So let's go ahead and head over to the lectures and readings folder. So you'll see that you'll see our reading assignment here, which is read chapters 5 and chapters 8 in your textbook. And then we also have a video about the neuroscience of sleep. And this video is pretty interesting. It describes the brain structures involved in sleep, as well as what happens when you don't get enough sleep, and then tips on how to get better sleep, which I'm sure we could all benefit from. So then if you head over to the assignments folder, this week we have a midterm evaluation form in the assignments folder. And the form is really short. It should only take you a few minutes to complete, and your responses are anonymous. So I'd really like feedback from you, just to see how the class is going, or the things that could be improved. I'm going to use this information to improve the course, either for the few weeks that we have remaining or in a future version of the course. So if you want to provide me your feedback, that would be great. It's not worth points, it's not required, but I do appreciate hearing some feedback from you. Then in the rest of the assignments folder, we have our usual suspects, which is the Module 4 quiz and the discussion board. The Module 4 quiz is going to cover chapters 5 and 8 in your textbook. Like normal, it consists of 10 questions, and you have 30 minutes to complete all 10 questions. And then for our discussion board, you'll have 2 prompts like normal. In one prompt, you're going to be asked to provide an example from your own life that exemplifies a concept from chapter 5 or from the video on sleep. And for the second prompt, you'll be asked to describe whether a behavior you conducted this week was motivated more by intrinsic motivations or by extrinsic motivations, which you'll be reading about in your textbook. And just a general reminder, all the Module 4 assignments and activities are due on Sunday, November 18th by 11:59 p.m. And as always, if you have any questions, just let me know. Looking forward to this week.